come the munchkins. They're out of school. All heck is gonna break loose. They're gonna be asking me, what are you doing? Ooh, here's a good signal. There's a 90 to start off the day. This beautiful park, so big I have only covered about 30-40% of it, maybe. Right there. It's on the surface. Alright, so we don't have to use the shovel on this one. Should be a rat here. Should be a quota. A quota. Get my daily quota. Somewhere. It's right in here somewhere. Thought I could get it without the pen pointer, but I guess maybe it's a little... Oh, it was off a little bit. Alright. It's over here. Let's see. What did I do with that? Oh, there's multiple targets here.
You push me out the way.
Multiple targets. It's on this side. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Or was it a deep? I don't think it was a deep target, was it? Oh, there it is. It's a quota. It was down a little bit further than I thought it was. That is a... looks like a... something flying in the air. It's got to be an eagle or a turkey. No, turkeys don't fly, do they? Alright, one good quartered. It just started for today. Alright. I should put my gloves on. I get so excited sometimes. Alright, so hopefully we'll get far away from this ice cream man behind me. That drives me crazy. But it's a necessary evil. Looks like I've got a penny. I don't know, it might be trash. It's a little higher number than I thought. Let's see. Just a quarter so far.
Oh, quarter?
Yeah.
Okay. What else can you find?
It's probably a penny over here.
Hey, come on.
There's a quarter right there. Where'd it go? Oh, I lost my signal. Alright, let's see. Find it where it's at.
Come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Come on, Jay.
High 60s, 70, low 70s, huh? Oh, it's down in here somewhere. Let's see. Deeper than I thought. Right in here. Oh, there it is. What is that? Oh, it's a key. Somebody broke a key. All right. It was a little higher, that's why it wasn't a penny. That's a big target. Oh gosh. Let's keep on going. I'm gonna turn this off. Keep on going.